Today we're checking out the brand new Superlite Backpack from Tortuga, a bag that's similar to the Tortuga bags you know and love, but now made with Ultra. The Superlite Backpack comes in at 21 inches by 12.5 inches by 8 inches with a total capacity of 34 liters, and the bag weighs 2.2 pounds. The exterior is made with Ultra 200TX, a technical fabric with fibers 15 times stronger than steel by weight. The bag also features industry standard YKK zippers and Woojin buckles. The bag comes in one colorway, the black you see here, and it will retail for $325, but you can snag it now on launch day at the Kickstarter link in the description for just $199. Now, let's quickly check out the features of this bag. You've got grab handles on the top and side, a water bottle pocket on the other side, a top admin pocket with a key leash and a zippered accessory pocket. The main pocket opens clamshell style and features two internal zippered pockets. There's a padded laptop compartment in the back with a false bottom, a nicely padded back panel and shoulder straps that also feature load lifters and a sternum strap. Just a heads up, there is no luggage pass-through on this bag. Now, let's pack this thing up for a 2-week trip to see what we can fit inside. Remember, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. Also to note, I bring laundry strips to do sink laundry about halfway through the trip, so we'll be packing 6 days worth of clothing in addition to the clothes on my body. So that's the brand new Superlite Backpack from Tortuga. I truly love the simplicity of Tortuga bags with the large luggage clamshell style opening. They're just so easy to pack out. Also, if you haven't tried a Tortuga bag before, they are one of the most comfortable on the market, right up there with Air and Able Carry. It took a while, but Ultra Fabric has grown on me recently, and it looks really nice with this minimally designed bag. If you do dig this bag, I highly suggest snagging one on launch day because you can get a ridiculously good discount of nearly 40% off the retail price. Let me know what you think of this bag in the comments below, and if you'll be picking one of these up from Tortuga. With that, just want to say, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.